Okay, so we're just going to look at defining functions here. So we're going to go down to Math 3 and check on define there. And we're going to define a function which we're going to call distance. Now we're going to call that dist. And we're going to define that as being between A, B, C, and D. And what these are telling us is the x and y coordinates of two separate points. So the first one, the AB, is the x and y coordinates of the first point, and the C and D are the x and y coordinates of the second point. And what we're going to try and do is to find the distance between the 2 points. So we're going to use this little rule here. So we're going to say it's equal to the square root of, now it's going to be d minus b all squared. So we do d minus b, raise that to the power 2, and then we're going to add that to c minus a all squared, c minus a all squared, and then we're going to press enter, and that defines our rule. Now the idea is that when we then type in dist and put brackets, and let's consider a point, let's say we've got the point 1, 2, comma, and we've got the other point, let's make it 3, I don't know, 6, and we close the brackets. It's automatically given us the distance between the 2 points, and now we can see that that's going to be an exact form. And so you're wondering to yourselves, this is all very good, but we've defined this. How do we stop this from being deleted when we clear our variables? So let's have a look and see how to do that. Normally when we clear our variables, the best way is to go to Variable Manager, and we look in here and we see that we've got 4 functions which are defined. However, let's just say that we wanted to keep this one here. We can do that. Up here there's a little thing called lock. If we click lock there, what it means is that if we try to delete it, it won't be deleted. So now let's see if that actually works. So we're going to go to all, select all. We're going to go to edit, we're going to go to delete. It says delete variables, and then it says, oh hang on, dist is locked or protected. Is that okay? Well, it is okay because we didn't want to delete that one. And so what this means is we haven't deleted our distance rule. Let's go back and see if it's still working. So we're going to cheat a little bit here, just going to copy that down, but we're going to change the numbers. Let's change the numbers to 4 and 8. Press enter, and there it is, and so it's still working. So the way to protect it is to use that lock function within the variable manager.